Hello and welcome to MotorSpeed LLC. Today we're showcasing a classic American cruiser, the 2006 Victory Kingpin in striking red. This beauty combines bold style, long-haul comfort, and road-ready upgrades that make it perfect for highway rides or weekend getaways. Powered by a 1634cc Freedom V-twin, this Kingpin delivers that unmistakable American rumble with smooth torque and a comfortable touring setup. With 47,557 miles and a clean California title, it's a well-maintained cruiser ready to hit the road in style. The front fairing and tall windscreen provide great wind protection for long rides. It comes with hard side bags that offer lockable storage for travel. The comfortable touring seat is perfect for both rider and passenger. Dual disc front brakes and a belt. Drive ensure smooth handling and strong stopping power. It also features alloy wheels, floorboards, and a classic factory red paint that stands out on the road. Based in Sacramento, CA, local pickup or nationwide shipping available. Financing available for qualified buyers. Call or text David at 916-337-9147 for more info or to schedule a viewing. Follow us on Instagram, rsac.motorspeed and rsac.motorspeedbikes. Visit www.motorspeed.com. Find us on Facebook and YouTube by searching MotorSpeed.